National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwest and central Tillman County in west central Texas, southeastern Reynolds County in west central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lehigh Bay, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ross and Tulsa around 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Valera around 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Coleman and Santa Ana around 7:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Mizell, Fisk, Echo, and Hordes Creek Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.